Yes, good morning class 9th. Now, in continuation of chapter Lines and Angles, chapter 6 and exercise 6.3, we have already discussed question number 1 and 2. Now come to the question number 3. In this question, figure is given AB parallel to DE. So first see the figure. Question 3. A, B, C, D, E. Now 35 degree and 35 degree, and angle D is also given 53 degree. Now question is AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE given, and we have to find DCE. Angle DCE, unknown angle. We have to find DCE, means this angle. This is not given. But angle BAE is given. BAE equals to 35 degree and CDE, this is 53 degree. Now, AB parallel to DE, that's why BAE, AB parallel to DE, it is given. So, angle BAE equals to angle AED, alternate interior angles. Now BAE is 35 degree, so AED also 35 degree. Now mark 35 degrees this angle. Now use angle sum property in triangle CDE. So in triangle CDE, angle C plus angle D plus angle E equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. C, we have to find D53 plus 35 equals to 180. C means DCE. So angle DCE equals to 180 minus 53 plus 35 is 88 degree. So angle DCE is 180 minus 88, it means 92 degree. Okay. So the unknown angle DCE is 92 degree. Is it clear? Now come to the next question number 4. These questions are from exercise 6.4. Fourth question. In figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect, so PQRS are two lines. PQRS, PQRS join PR and QS. Now angle PRT 40 degree. PRT, T is the intersecting point, 40 degree. Next, angle RPT 95 degree. RPT 95 degree. TSQ 75 degree. TSQ 75 degree. And we have to find SQT. Angle SQT. It is not given. SQT. This angle. Now question is asking that PQ and RS are two intersecting lines. It means these angles are vertically opposite angle. Okay. So first we have to find 1 and 2. So consider the triangle PRT. So in triangle PRT, angle P plus angle R plus angle T is 180 degree. Use angle sum property of triangle. P is given 95 degree, R is 40 degree plus angle T. T means angle 1 is 180 degree. So angle 1 is 180 minus 95 plus 40 is 135 degree. So it becomes 45. Now angle 1 is 45 degree, but 1 2 is equals to 1 is equals to 45 degree. So reason is vertically opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles, because lines are intersecting, that is given in this question. Now 2 plus 75 plus angle SQT. Okay, so consider in triangle SQT, angle marked as 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 75 is equals to 180. Again, angle sum property of triangle. Now 2 is 45. 3 means angle SQT plus 75 equals to 180. So SQT is 180 minus 75 plus 45 is 120. So SQT is 60 degree. So we have to find the value of the angle is 60 degree. Is it clear? So we have to use angle sum property of triangle in triangle PRT, then in the next triangle SQT. Is it clear? Okay. Class 9th. Question number 5 and 6 we are discussed in the next recording, in the next class, and try to solve these two questions. Okay. Yes, class 9, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.